like them. Drumming on the beat. Sucks me out and doing like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And yeah, my eyes are at it again. So I just didn't put any makeup on. It's Sunday morning and I'm going to have this up tomorrow. So I just said, you know what? Who cares? And yes, I got all the blonde cut out. Oh, well, most of the blonde cut out of my hair. And it's a little short, but in 2 weeks it'll be fine. Because, you know, my hair grows so fast anyway. And I was thinking, if I cut that out now, by June, I can pull it up. That's what I was thinking. But I'm here today with the ice cream box. As you know, I canceled the bag, so we just have to do the box. But I'm going to, next month, switch that out for, I believe, Scentbird, one of those. One of the scent ones, because I've had a lot of requests for that. And also, I'm seriously thinking about, because where the balanced Discovery box is so good, I thought maybe I might switch my FabFitFun out for the Balance box, lifestyle box, and see what that's like. So anyway, here we go, and we know we like this one. This is always worth the money, and so is the bag. This is $25 a month, and that includes shipping. Now they have, and you get 5 to 7 items. They're all full-size items, and you're guaranteed 1 palette. Now, they also have a bag, and you're also guaranteed a palette in that, and it's, I believe it's like $12.50, and then you have like $3.50 shipping with it, and with that you get 3 to 5 items. But since I do the channel, and I do have granddaughters to give it to, that's why I continue with the box. And the box is always well worth its money. They both are. But this is what it looks like when you open it up, and you always get your card. It tells you everything in the box. And then, I better put that on my lap because I'll be reaching for it the whole time. And I'm going to take the palette out off the top and set it aside. So, let's see where we are. Okay, this is a Bella Pierre. I know that's what it is. So let's see where that is. Huh. Oh, here it is. It's a $19 value, and it's a makeup base eyeshadow primer. And that's what that looks like. And it's like that, so that shows you how much you actually get in it. And it's valued at $19. But yeah, Bella Pierre is really overpriced, I gotta say. Let me see if I can change this hue. Oh, I don't want to change the amount. I want to change the hue. Yeah, that's white light. Blue light's more natural light. Oh, that's what it is. I don't have my overhead lights on. That's what it is. Anyway, I'll turn it on for the next video. And that just, it's like an eye primer so that you know how you sometimes get blue in your eyelids. It brings it all to a neutral color. So you get the actual colors you want. Personally, I just put my foundation there too, and just do my whole damn face with foundation and then start. But I'm old, so we're old school. You know, we may do with what we had. So the next, and that was $19 value, and I don't know what this is. It is Queen Studios Bow Down Brow Set, and that looks like that. Bow Down Brow Set. Well, ain't that something? And this is just brow setting gel. That's all it is, but it looks like this when you... Well, maybe. There we go. And it looks like this. And I haven't got my chairs from my studio. I ended up getting a free desk for in there, and it's higher than what my chair will go. So I'm going to get that payday, and then it's just clear brow gel. And we'll stick that back in the box so we know where it's at. And this is Bella Pierre. What is it? Liquid Gold Platinum. And it's a highlighter, and it's $25 value. Oh, I forgot to tell you that this was $16 value. And this is a $25 value, and it's a gold highlighter. That's what it says, gold, but it's just usually a gold. Oh, I like this kind. I do like this kind in the tubes. I know some people don't, because some people want to just brush it on, but you just, oops, got a little bit much, but it's okay, because that's me. See? And it's, you know, you can thin it out, rub it in, and see, because I got a little bit much there, so it was like, woo! But, you know, some people like it like that, you know, really strong like this, and some people like it more faint like this, you know. So, and I have been known to use it like thick like that when I'm doing like Halloween. And this one was, yeah, I did say a $25 value. And then we got this. It's Kevin and Coco. And it's 6 pieces. And it's matte lip gloss. How can it be matte and gloss at the same time? I don't know. I don't know how it can be gloss and matte at the same time, but we're going to find out. Because I don't know. Don't know. And it doesn't matter if I don't particularly like it. I just hand it down to the girls anyway. And the baby was born Saturday. On the 18th, we have a grandbaby. So that was cool. 8 pounds, 5 ounces. Poor mama. Oh, let's see if I don't know. Oh, I see how to get them out. Okay, I get it now. Are they all the same? I don't know. We'll see. Not having. Oh, I guess they're not. Ooh, there's that one. Nope, they are not all the same. That's not really a gloss, is it? We'll find one a little bit. This one. We better go right on down the line, because that's still a little dark for me. Those are not. Whoa. I don't know where it went. One flew away. I didn't find it. I thought I did, but I didn't. I don't know where it went. I can't find it. It went flying across the room. Oh well. We'll go the next one. We'll just do 5 out of 6. And I'll find that one eventually. Yeah. And that's probably the one I'd wear because it was the last one. I'm just going to put all these out on my hand so you can see the different colors. It'll be easier because when I turn it upside down, they go flying. Yeah, just put them all on my hand. And you know, stuff like this, you can also gift it to different family members. Yeah. So probably the one that went flying is probably the one I would wear, but I would wear this one. Ooh, that was a little bright. It does taste like strawberry. That it does. And I don't know why it did that, because we all know that it'll be bright, bright, bright. Until I get it near. Whoa. These do fall out if you don't hold them right side up. So, and you know, you have the whole set, and there's one shade lighter than this one. And they are a $28 value. And lastly, we have Saints and Sinners Cosmetics Yummy Made with Love for Eyescream Beauty exclusively. And that's, and then you open it up. It's got the slip slide thing on it. And these are the colors. Very Eastery. Very nice. Now they say on these, ew, those are big. I figured these glitters would be, you know, you would have to use, they say if you put them on wet, they stay on better, but, and you don't have as much fallout, but I'm not noticing really any fallout on these. It's just, they're very pretty. But those are just the glitters. Let me see if I can move. Those are just the glitters. You see them? Now I'll do the mattes. that one, that one, that one, and that one. And we'll just bam, 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 bam. Those are the mattes. Just one pass. Really pretty. And now I'll do the, I like these colors. I do like them. They're very, okay. They're colors that look good on me. I mean, some people may not like them. And those are those. These four are the shimmers. And I like it when they have a variety. So if you're wanting to do different things, you know, different effects, I like that. And that has a value of $48. And I would imagine it does, because it is very creamy. It's very creamy. So I will keep this one for myself, because these are the colors that look good on me. So you have, you know, you get over $100 value for $25. And, you know, a lot of times you end up with a full face every month. Now this time, you didn't get mascara, which, you know, you did last month. You know, they seem to rotate it and balance it out. And I write the total on the screen here. Because, you know, but this is one of my favorite boxes. And this is my favorite makeup box. So I'll probably continue getting this one for a long time, because it's the best one out there. Sorry. I do get glossy box, but that has a lot of skincare in it. So that's why I do that. You know. So anyway, we do all kinds of unboxings here. We do Temu hauls. We do bins hauls. Which I did go to the bins the other day, but I only got a couple things, so I probably won't record it. We do all kinds of unboxings, mystery boxes, FabFitFuns, you name it, we do it. Bye. Oh, forgot. Do the YouTube stuff. Like, subscribe. Bye.